Hi, una welcome. My name na Ibom. I want to teach you now how to cook Edikang Ikong soup. Welcome to Sabi Mekam YouTube channel. I have here vegetable. Now in my cut like this. You cut them into pieces. This one na water leaf. I cut them into pieces like this. This one na fresh pepper. This one na meat. Cow skin there inside. If you use any other thing, if you put like anything, goat meat, if you put anything you like. This one na smoked fish. This one na maggi. This one na crayfish, which I just pound them now. If you use your blender, you won't use blender. For me, I won't use mortar. Now you make a pound them like this. Okay. Okay. If I don't put the red oil, I put onions inside. Don't put the Don't put the meat into. I put water leaf. Couple vegetables. Then I can't put the meat and the cow skin. Anything where you have to put together, you carry and put. I put my fresh pepper. See as the face come deep. See as the face come green. This type of soup, if you use that for occasion. These are when you get important visitor like this. And you put Maggi. This Maggi will give the flavor, make them sweet very well. Then salt. Turn and boil. Now our Edikang Ikong soup done ready. It's done ready.
Yeah, I'm with you.
It's sweet well. See the Edikang Ikong soup. Sweet well. Done ready. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Mekam. Thank you.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Mekam, or follow us on our social media platform at Sabi Mekam, or you fit even call us